Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. So I'm starting a new videos on Tableau Prep. So first let's understand what is Tableau Prep and why it is used for. Tableau Prep is one of the products of Tableau that was introduced in 2018 by Tableau Software. So why we need Prep? When you are working in any kind of BI tool, so the data which we are going to collect and the data which we are going to use, that may come from the various sources, right? So we collect all those sources and we store in a particular, it can be a database or a data mart or cloud source or anything. So from there we are using it for various types of BI applications in order to convert to a visualization, or it can be any other things as well, the analysis of your data. So the data which you collect may not always be clean and may not always be in a proper shape, and also like every time we won't get all the data we require from the single source. So we have all these types of problems where we have to clean up the data, we have to shape up the data, we also have to combine the data from various sources. So only if we do this, we will get the final shape of the data which we can directly use for our development. So with respect to Tableau, if you see before this prep was introduced, we don't have any kind of such tools for doing these kind of modeling activities. So Tableau Desktop is the only tool for entire development activity where we have to connect through desktop, and in desktop we have very limited functionalities related to these kind of data preparing activities. So even before Tableau Prep was introduced, many customers were using other third-party tools also. You could have heard about a tool called Aletrix, which is again a data blending tool which was used for combining the data from various sources and all. But now we don't need any third-party tools because Tableau itself has come up with an excellent product called Tableau Prep. Okay. So first, in order to download Tableau Prep, you can go to the Tableau website and you can click on the products and go to Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep comes as part of your creator license. That is, a creator is one who connects with the data and create the visualizations and put it on the dashboard. So when you buy a creator license, you will have access to both Tableau Prep plus your Tableau Desktop. And also Tableau provides the 14 days free trial as well, where you can just try it for free, give your email address and download it and use it for 14 days. Okay. As I said, Tableau Prep is mainly used for combining, shaping up and clean up your data. And from that you can take your data to your desktop environment. Okay. It is not a mandatory step that you have to connect every data source to Tableau Prep and then you have to take that to Tableau Desktop. But when you have the challenges like where you want to combine data from various sources, you want to clean up your data. Clean up in the sense, as I said, when you collect the data for your requirements, the data may be we may have which we require, we may have some certain details which may we not require also. And if you want to pivot your data, changing columns to rows, rows to columns, and if you want to bring some kind of aggregation in your data, or else if you want to change the data format, you want to combine some data, you want to remove some data, or you want to create some kind of calculations, before taking the data to the design stage, I mean the development stage, what all the things you have to play around with your data, how you can make your data in a proper shape according to the business needs. So when we work on various projects, there may be various business needs according to the projects we work on. So in one project we may require the date in a particular format, In another project, we may require date in a particular format. So all these types of cleaning up we are going to do with this particular tool called Tableau Prep. Again, this is also a self-service data preparation where it is easy to connect. Tableau Prep also supports most of the data sources as Tableau Desktop. So you can easily connect your data and you can pull your data, and we have various kind of steps. So in order to clean up your data, or if you want to aggregate your data, pivot your data, or you want to group some data, or you want to replace, or you want to create some calculations, all these things we can do with Prep. And also you can, once all the things has been done, you can generate an output which can be directly published to your Tableau server, or even you can download that as a extract or a TDE or even a CSV file, which can be used as an input for your Tableau Desktop. So the first thing we are going to do is identify the data sources. So what data source you are going to connect to. Okay. So then we are going to connect the data. Okay. So once you connect the data, so we will be creating the various flows, what all the activities we need to do. So here we call it as workflow. So whatever you're creating in Tableau Prep, it is called as workflow. So this is how you will be creating, connecting your data, and you will be creating the various flows. Okay, so what all the steps we are going to take it. Okay. So we will be concentrating on each and every column present in that particular data source, and whatever changes you want to do, or even if your data is scattered across multiple files, you can combine that, or you can do joining, you can do union, all those things you can do with Tableau Prep Builder. You also get the immediate results. So whatever you want to do, you can just edit and then you can combine, and whatever actions you are taking, right? So Tableau Prep will immediately give you the results, which you can use it for your development purposes. And also it works smarter and faster. So I have already downloaded the Tableau Prep Builder. So this is the interface of the Tableau Prep Builder. So if you click here, you can see the connections, and when you click on this plus symbol, you can see the various data sources supported by Tableau Prep. So far flat files you can connect to MS Access, PDF, Microsoft Excel, statistical file, Tableau extracts and CSV files. With respect to server related data sources, you can connect to Tableau server, Alibaba Clouds, Amazon. So you have all Cloudera, Google Cloud, Hadoop, IBM data sources. You have MongoDB connector, MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SAP data sources, Teradata, and also you have your JDBC, ODBC connectors. So most of the data source, not all the data source, most of the data source supported in Tableau Desktop, they have included. Still, since it was introduced only at the end of 2018, still they are updating. Maybe you will, it will support all the data sources which is supported by desktop very shortly. So first thing is connect to your data. And then we are going to see like what kind of things we have to do with this data. So all those things I will explain in the next video. Thanks for listening. Thank you.